The tag is a fundamental HTML element. It stands for bold. We use it to make text appear bold on a web page. When you use the tag, the text inside it will stand out from the rest. This is because the browser will make it bolder than the surrounding text. Think of the tag like highlighting with a thick pen. It emphasizes the text visually. However, it doesn't inherently convey any extra meaning or importance. It's simply a visual cue for the reader. The tag is useful for drawing attention to specific words or phrases. For instance, you might use it to highlight keywords in a product description. You can also use it to make headings stand out more, even if they are not using the designated heading tags, from to. However, it's important to remember that the tag is primarily about visual styling. If you want to add semantic meaning to your text, like indicating strong importance, you should consider using the tag instead. We'll discuss this further in the next section. The tag, short for strong importance, is another HTML tag that affects text weight. Like the tag, it's used to emphasize text, but it does so with added semantic value. When you enclose text within the tag, you're signaling to the browser that this text holds significant importance. Search engines and assistive technologies consider this semantic meaning. This makes your content more accessible and understandable. Imagine you're writing an important warning message. Using the tag tells the browser this text needs attention. Screen readers used by visually impaired individuals might read the text in a stronger tone. This emphasizes the message's urgency and importance. The tag is also beneficial for SEO. Search engines understand that text within tags is significant. This can potentially give your web page a slight ranking boost for relevant keywords. Both and tags seem to produce similar results on the screen, making text bold. However, their underlying purposes differ significantly. Understanding these differences is crucial for writing semantically correct and accessible HTML. The tag is purely for visual styling. It tells the browser, make this text bold. It doesn't convey any additional meaning or importance. Think of it like using a highlighter to make certain words stand out on a page. On the other hand, the tag carries semantic weight. It tells the browser, this text is important. Search engines and assistive technologies recognize this importance. This impacts how they interpret and present your content. Here's a table summarizing the key differences. The tag is for visual styling, while the tag is for semantic emphasis. The tag simply makes text bold, whereas the tag indicates important text. The tag has no impact on accessibility, but the tag improves accessibility. Finally, the tag has no SEO impact, while the tag can potentially have a positive impact. Choosing the right tag depends on your content and what you want to convey. If you simply want text to appear bold, is sufficient. But if the text carries significant weight or importance, is the semantically correct choice. In the world of web development, using the right HTML element for the right job is crucial. This is especially true when dealing with text formatting. While both the and tags can make your text bold, they serve different purposes. The tag is best suited for situations where you simply want to visually emphasize text without adding any inherent importance. Think of it as applying a visual style, much like changing the font color or size. For instance, you might use to highlight keywords in a product description or make headings bolder for visual impact. The tag, on the other hand, should be used when the text itself carries significant weight or importance. This tag is not just about visual styling, it's about conveying meaning and structure to your content. Use it for important warnings, key phrases you want to emphasize to search engines, or any text that needs to stand out as semantically important. Remember, writing semantically correct HTML is crucial for accessibility and SEO. By choosing the right tag for the job, you ensure that your content is not only visually appealing but also easily understood by both humans and machines.